My brother's apartment.
Hello guys, it's your DJ Diego. You wouldn't believe what's outside. It went to my friend's house, my mom's friend's house. It's raining so hard.
Hi.
There's my Jada. They can't see you.
No, don't show my face. Unless you go.
Guys, my house went out. The power line got on fire. So we had to leave. We went to my friend's house.
Is that your dad? Is that your daddy? Yeah. Is that Dago?
What? No.
Is that Dago? Oh.
Where's my keys? He's making those women videos.
Your keys are right here.
Where?
Guys, look how rainy. You'll hear the thunder in a minute. It's like so light. Guys, you actually can look out here. So I see some deer sometimes. There's deers out here. There's an old house. I don't know where it looks like there's a well over there. Let me get closer. You see right there. Top of my finger. Yeah, I think that's like the girl who owns the well. You know that scary girl? That's their dog. I'm so scared. Oh my god. My dad left, so I got scared. So this is my mom.
What's that?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna cover you. Ah! Ow! Oi! Ah! Beefy. So you see that? Okay, I don't want to get wet. I have to clean this. Literally, we go in there. It's like a maze. Maze. We play Jason. Jason's like somebody's to be Jason try to chase us. He has to kill all of us actually. So I might make a video of that if you want me to. Yeah, only if you want to. Just say that in the descriptions below. So I'm going in here. You might not see anything, but offensive light.
It's hot in here.
You can hardly see.
Dad, go spray your hair. That spray bottle's in my bathroom.
We tried everything. The stores are even they don't have no light in there. Oh my god. You see that? I'm so scared, guys. I think I'm going to end the video because it looks too boring. So I'll see you guys later when when the lights come on. Goodbye.
Huh?
Make sure you subscribe.